Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Guys, the brand new Oppo Pad Mini is finally here, and it's slimmer, lighter, with tighter bezels that look more refined than ever. Today we're unboxing it alongside the Oppo Pad 5 Pro. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Right away, the big highlight is that ultra-smooth 144Hz display. Starting with the Pad Mini next to the iPad Mini 7, it feels noticeably lighter and thinner in hand, making one-handed use super comfortable. The slimmer bezels also give it a more immersive screen, almost like it's bigger than it is. The Menai color looks gorgeous, and the back has a silky, smooth texture that feels premium. In daily use, everything feels incredibly fluid. Scrolling, swiping, reading, all thanks to that 144Hz refresh rate. I've mostly been using it as an e-reader, and the OLED soft light screen handles glare much better than the Mini 7. Plus, the pastel reading mode makes long reading sessions really easy on the eyes. On the software side, ColorOS 16 with the AI writing pen adds some smart features. You can quickly extract text from images, recognize objects, and even turn rough notes or doodles into clean, organized content. It's surprisingly useful, especially if your handwriting is messy, and the writing feel itself is very close to pen on paper. And despite the compact size, this thing packs serious power. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, it handles high-end gaming like PUBG on max settings smoothly, with sharp touch response. Even better, it stays cool during long sessions thanks to its built-in cooling system. Alright, now let's shift to the bigger tablet, the Oppo Pad 5 Pro. Snap on the keyboard and it instantly feels like a laptop, but it's still very much a powerful tablet. The floating keyboard looks premium and is really well designed. Running ColorOS 16, multitasking is super flexible. You can open multiple apps, move and resize them freely, and switch between everything smoothly with Oppo's panoramic free window feature. What really stands out is how close it gets to a PC experience. You get desktop-grade WPS for editing documents, plus a file system that feels just like a computer, great for getting real work done. It also works great across devices. You can use it as a second screen for a Mac, share keyboard and mouse, and even drag and drop files between them. Transferring photos or videos from your phone is just as seamless. Everything pops up instantly and is ready to use. For creators, even pro-level apps handle smoothly. Editing 4K 120 FPS video feels responsive with no lag. And for entertainment, the 3.4K 144Hz display and 8-speaker setup make movies and games super immersive. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite with advanced cooling, it stays fast and cool during long sessions. Battery life is another win, with a huge 13,380 mAh battery lasting days on a single charge. So overall, between the compact Oppo Pad Mini and the Pad 5 Pro, you've got a solid combo for both entertainment and productivity. Definitely worth checking out.